In example number 5, they want us to start with the slope point form, but they want us to rearrange the term so that it will turn into the general form. For now, when you are working with the slope point form, you are supposed to get numbers here, here, and there. But at this point, they are replacing those numbers with m, x1, and y1. We will continue to treat them as number, just that we don't know the value of those numbers. We will try to rearrange the term and turn it into the general form. In the previous example, in the past couple examples, we've been working with slope point form. And in order to turn it back into general form, we need to open up the bracket first. If m is a constant, if it is a number, multiplying this by the bracket will give us a number times x. And then when you multiply the number for m by the number for x1, that's the x coordinate of your point, you will end with a number. When you think about it, a constant times it by another constant, it will still be a constant. You are still dealing with a number. And once again, m is a number here. On the left hand side, your equation will still be y minus y1 for now. Every equation will come with x and y as part of your equation. We don't have a value for x here. We don't have a y. We don't have a value for y here. We are going to keep them as x and y. They are not numbers. So once we are at this point, I want to bring my terms to the same side so that it will give us the equation in general form. We want to start the x term as positive. Let me keep this on the right hand side. But we want to bring the other two terms to the right hand side. The y will now be minus y. This part, when you bring it to the other side, you will add it to the right hand side. And now you will end up with 0 on one side and the rest of them on the other side. Compared to ax plus by plus c equals 0, we can now match the coefficient. The number in front of your x would then be your a. A equals m. The number in front of your y will now be the b value. And the rest of it would then be your constant.